In this video, we will explore the starting system, designed for small refrigeration compressors, utilizing an amperometric relay and thermal protector, specifically used in the power range from 1/12 to 1 horsepower, with a 120-volt power supply. Let's begin by stating that the amperometric relay is an essential device that facilitates the connection of the compressor's starting coil to ignite it, followed by a quick disconnection. The amperometric relay features a small internal coil that, upon receiving power, attracts a switch, allowing the flow of current to the compressor's starting coil. Once the compressor is activated, the current in the amperometric relay's coil decreases, leading to the disconnection of the compressor's starting coil, leaving only the compressor's working coil in operation. The starting system also includes a thermal protector that enables disconnection when the current entering the compressor is higher than normal. It is crucial to select the thermal protector and amperometric relay based on the compressor's horsepower. The replacement of these components should be carried out with this specification in mind. The holes in the amperometric relay are used to establish the connection with the compressor's pins. If the compressor requires a starting capacitor, the capacitor is connected to the double pin of the amperometric relay, which is used for the connection of the neutral line and the starting capacitor. On the other hand, the single pin is used for the return of the current from the starting capacitor. Let's now watch the animation of the connection of the amperometric relay, thermal protector, without a capacitor, and with a starting capacitor.